Oh my gosh, there's so much money coming from this underground Google method that I'm about to go over. This is crazy. I've never shown this to anybody before. This is one of the most powerful things you can do. Now, I'm going to show you an underground method to get ranked on Google, costing no money, requiring you to have no website, no domain, still get ranked on Google, and you can make up to $4,000 per month with this method. Now get ready, get prepared. If you are ready to make some Google money, first off, type in Google money in the comments below, but this is hot. This works scarily well, and you'll be able to make some really fat commissions doing this. So let's head over to my computer. I'm gonna show this to you step by step. We're gonna be going over 4 steps: picking your keyword, getting your links, creating the content that we're gonna get ranked on Google, and then uploading that content to the internet. Then it's just about watching and making the money. So let's get into this. Guys, get ready. I wanna see those Google monies typed in the comments. If you are committed to do this, we're gonna go on my computer in just a second right there and go over this method. Let's get it. Now, once again, we're going through an underground Google SEO method. You can make up to $4,000 a month doing this. You can do this any country in the world, any age. I don't care if you're 13 years old. I don't care if you're 4 years old. We're gonna go over these 4 things. We're gonna pick a keyword. We're gonna get our links. We're gonna create the content that we're gonna get ranked. Then we're gonna upload it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to pick a keyword. So to pick a keyword, what the type of keywords we're gonna be looking for are college keywords. So you wanna look for different colleges. So, it could be as simple as, typing in, colleges in, let's say, Idaho. Okay, or let's say colleges in Ohio. And we search colleges in Ohio, and we see we get a ton of university results here. Let's say Bowling Green State University. Let's just check it out, okay? Bowling Green State University. We see they're ranked, then it's just some random other stuff. So this is a great keyword. This is fairly specific. Let's go after this one. So let's get it. Now, the next step of this method, we're going to get affiliate links, because you don't want to spend time having a product and having to buy a product. You don't want to have to spend money. You don't want to have to post it on a Shopify store, an Amazon store. You set up a support number. You're going to have to set up a business address. You're going to have to rent an office so you have a business address or a PO box. You don't want to have to do freaking consulting to fulfill these services. You don't want to start your own social media agency. Then you have to start talking to customers, and you have to do sales, and you have to do prospecting. You just want to simply tap some stuff on your computer, make money, and then be done with it. Now, the way these commissions will be sent to you is one of 2 ways. One way is if you have an address, it will be sent via check to your address. The second way is it will be sent via wire transfer, direct deposit to your bank account. Now, I'm going to show you a number of different affiliate networks that you can join to get links to use to make money from this method. So that's an essential part. I'm not just trying to show you how to get traffic here. On this channel, the John Money Club channel, we are showing you getting the traffic and making the money. Now type in Money Club if you are a part of my Money Club. Make sure you join the Money Club if you are wanting to go deeper with my training. You can subscribe and be a part of that. So let's get into affiliate networks. Few affiliate networks, you will see the links in my description below. So you can get links to join all of these, and make sure you use my links so you can get accepted. Now, some countries will not be accepted, so I suggest you apply to all of these affiliate networks. Now, one is MaxWeb. You can join that. It's a very big affiliate network focused on digital products. The next affiliate network is called the Super Affiliate Network. This is one of my most recommended affiliate networks out there. So you can join the Super Affiliate Network. You see average people from all walks of life are making money and having lots of success with this network, and it's run by my friend Misha right there. Okay. Also join 6-Figure Mentors. Again, the links are in the description. They include a lot of training to help you get better in affiliate marketing. Also, people from all walks of life making money here. ClickFunnels is another great affiliate program that pays recurring commissions. Recurring commissions, so you get a sale, you get money for life. Okay, you get 10 sales, you'll be making $500 for life. So that's great. And even if you get 100 sales with this program, they'll buy you a car. Yeah, I'm serious. They'll buy you a car. Check this out. Todd Brown got a new Ferrari right there because he got enough sales with ClickFunnels. He's being handed it by Russell Brunson himself. So and then we have a few more. There's Digistore, which any country in the world they accept. And we also have ClickBank. Now, for the purposes of this training, I'm gonna be using ClickBank to actually set this up. Now, you'll wanna create an account, and then you'll wanna sign up, go to the affiliate marketplace right here. We'll go to the affiliate marketplace, and what we will do is we will scroll down to e-business and e-marketing right there. And you'll see one of the top programs here is mine. Okay, it's my product, it's my training product where I teach people how to start an online business. So it's called the Super Affiliate System, and you can see that it pays about $500. You get 8 sales, 8 people from the 7 billion people around the world, and you get them to buy this product and you will make money. And this method works so good. As I said, it works scarily good. The second you see this video, put this into action because the keywords, the best keywords are gonna go fast. There's not only a couple thousand universities in the world, and I have 160 or 170,000 people that subscribe to me. So think about that. A couple thousand keywords. You wanna get on this fast. Only a couple thousand colleges get on this fast before all the keywords are taken up. Now, right here, click promote. So we're gonna grab a link to my program, click promote, and you're gonna enter in your account nickname, whatever that is, and I'm just gonna type in UnderGround method, okay? We're just gonna leave the link as the default, and then we'll click right here, generate hop link right there. And then you see we have our generated hop link, so we can copy that, or we can just click this button, okay? And it copied, see? You have successfully copied your hop link. Now the next step is pretty easy. We're gonna go to bit.ly and we're gonna shorten this link. I'm gonna go down here where it says shorten your link. I'm gonna paste it. You see that link's real big and ugly. We're just gonna click this button, shorten, to make it more clickable because people don't like clicking on big and ugly links. So see, it just turned it into this link, so we can click copy right here to copy it. Boom. Okay, now you'll notice that I opened up a notepad and I pasted both of my links in the notepad. I posted the long one and I posted the short one because I want to be able to track. I just want to have a quick reference because we're going to use this link in just a little bit. So we're actually going to skip ahead. We're going to create the content first, and we're going to create it and we're going to upload it and we're going to put our link in there back in step 4. So just save this link, put in a note or something somewhere on your computer, and we're going to come back to this in just a second. So the next thing we want to do is you want to go to a site called FlixExpress, okay? You can create videos in minutes. Now what we want to do here is I'm going to copy some of the text. I'm actually going to give you a special bonus at the end of this video where you'll be able to get exactly what I'm doing, a template of exactly what I'm doing to apply to all of the other thousands of keywords in the universe for this method and use them to make money, okay? And also my legal disclaimer, my lawyers make me say this, is this video is for entertainment purposes only, okay? This is not business advice. Results may vary. You may not make any money doing this. You know, most business owners fail. Frankly, it's because they don't ever do anything. They just watch videos. And so don't be one of those people. Don't just sit back and watch the video and not take action. Frankly, I want to see you unsubscribe from my channel if you're just going to watch videos and not actually do anything about it. I know other YouTubers will say, oh, you know what, just thank you for watching the videos. Watch stuff makes me happy, my channel grow. I don't care about I have more people subscribe to my channel than I want. Frankly, I just want hungry wolves. I just want hungry wolves who are gonna implement stuff, go out there and make us both money. Because you put this stuff in action, we both make money. This is the #1 money channel on YouTube because, guys, type in #1 money channel on YouTube if you know it, if you already know. This is the #1 money channel on YouTube because I'm not here trying to pitch you courses or none of that stuff. I'm trying to get you to make money because the more money you make, the more money I make. And we're working together here. So let's check this out. So we're gonna sign up to FlixExpress and it says get started for free. See that right there? So just click that button right there, get started for free. And you can register an account. You'll enter in some information or you could sign in with Google. and just fill out the information. So now we're on a screen where we can create a video. Now the video I want to create is this one. These are video templates, and I'm going to give you the rest of the stuff to fill in. I like the longer videos because these are going to rank better. So check out this video right here. Again, if you're figuring out this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel on YouTube when you're ready, you skeptic. So here we are on the template, and when you use a free account with FlixExpress, you get an account balance of 2 minutes, okay? Now, this video is 65 seconds. It's about a minute. So this video, the whole video, you can get for free. This is, you only get 2 minutes of videos for free, but hopefully you make enough money so you can afford the $5 or whatnot it takes. So we're gonna go right here and we're gonna click Customize Now. Right there, Customize Now. And we're gonna select 5 images, okay? So I'm gonna go to Upload Images, right? See that? I clicked right there, Upload Image. And I'm gonna go to my folder where I already found some images. Now I'm just gonna click, 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 click. And I have my 5 images all set for me. Now, how I found these images, I will share this all with you at the end of the video where you can find this. I will give you a resource file and you will be able to find the image and text examples. So I tell you what image to use. Use an image of the college. Use a stop sign or a warning symbol. Search job slave for images in Google and use one of those images. Person with an idea image and just Google search that, and a downwards arrow. Okay, now once you've uploaded your images, you're just gonna go click right up here which says proceed, and you'll click proceed. Now, we have to crop or fit these images to fit the subtitles, so I'm gonna click here. I'm just gonna get the bottom of that image. And I'm doing this all really fast. Keep in mind, you can do this better than me. So I'm just rushing through this. We have our college, and we have our training slide, and now I'm gonna order them around. So we wanna have our, let's reference our document here. So the first image should be of a college, okay? The first image is of the college. Then the second image is of a stop sign. So we wanna have a stop sign. Third image, it's job slave. And the keyword we're going after is Bowling Green State University. Okay, then we're having a person with an idea image. So we're gonna say, watch this entire training before you go to college. We're gonna tell them that the link is in the description. Now follow along with me, and if you're committed to following along with me, if you've seen that these methods make money, type in money, okay? Type in Google money in the comments below. I wanna see a bunch of Google monies because this is easy. This is so simple to do, and you can make money doing this. Bowling Green State University. Do not go there until you watch this video, okay? And let's try to create a preview and see just what happens. Okay, so I just submitted the video. Let's check this out of what we created. We go right here, see it just shows up in my previews. Let's actually just download this and we're gonna upload this right away. And we just created a video, by the way, people. So we're gonna check this out in a second, but let's move on to the next step. This may take you longer or shorter depending on where you're at in life, but we're gonna go over to YouTube. I started a new channel, and if you wanna start a channel, you go up here and you would just type in create a YouTube channel. Now YouTube channels are free. If you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube channel, but you can click on any one of these links. That'll show you how to create it if you need a more step-by-step process to create a YouTube channel. But it should be pretty obvious. When you log into YouTube, you can click up here and it will help you create a YouTube channel. So we downloaded our video, and there's a few things we want to do. So we're gonna go back to this. And we'll see the title of the uploaded file should be college, name of your college, -review, okay? So I'm gonna look at this file that I just created, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename it bowling-green-state-university-review.mp4. Now we're getting to the final stages of this entire method. This is so simple, and once you do it once, you'll be able to do it over and over and over again very fast. And I'm telling you, do this as many times as possible. Do this for every single freaking keyword that you possibly can. It seems long, don't worry, that's just money. It doesn't happen with a button press. So if you want to go back to Twitter or Instagram and endless scroll through Facebook news posts, please unsubscribe from this channel. This isn't for you. This is for people who want step-by-step ways to make money online. Now here we are, and I created a channel, and I'm gonna go up here and click that button, which means upload video, okay? And we'll click upload video right there. And we will go to our folder, and we have Bowling Green State University Review right here. So I'm just gonna select file, I'm gonna upload it. I just dragged it and dropped it, right? Do not attend bowling. Now you can see in the file that I'm gonna share with you of the templates how to actually do this, okay? So you see the title of the video example, it's right there, and all you have to do is replace the actual bracketed areas with whatever keyword you're going after. Now, also keep in mind that this video may be taken down at any time. This training will be taken down very fast. You want to put this into action as soon as you see this video, because this training will not be up for very long. Now, if you're an avid fan of mine, just put this into action as many times as possible. Okay, now in the description, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our link. Remember, we had our short link. So here we are, once again, we're gonna use our short link right there, and we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna paste it into the description right there. See that? So people will know where to go. And the last thing we'll do is we'll type in Bowling Green State University right there and in the keyword area, and we're gonna make this public, and we're going to publish and go. So let's check out our video and see how it looks. That was good. So there's our video, and I think that looks pretty amazing for just a few minutes of work. I mean, that video was created in about a minute or two. I spent a lot of time explaining it. You're going after unsaturated keywords. You're going after, and you're doing it in a great way that's going to get a lot of engagement, okay? This is hot. You'll get ranked in Google because there are no, if you look this up, there aren't videos ranking for Google, and people would rather watch videos than actually read text and deal with annoying websites. That's why this method works. There's a lot more in this method that I could go into, copywriting, etc. But I suggest that you modify things based on what you want. You can go after colleges in Canada, in Mexico, in any country in the world. You can go after actually, really anything that you want here. Do whatever you think's gonna work best. And try to modify the copy. You saw the link is in the description was a little bit cut off. Change it up. There's a million things you can do to try this out. Just go for it and put this into action. Type in Google money in the chat. Free traffic method resources is in the description, johncristani.com/resource. Bowling Green State University is a great university. I don't suggest you do this around Bowling Green State University. They're fantastic. I haven't been there, but I'm sure it's fantastic. I just read about it. Don't do anything to Bowling Green State University. Only post positive videos about Bowling Green State University. This video is for entertainment purposes. Results may vary. Keep that in mind. Like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell if you enjoyed this. You got something out of this. Hope to see you put this into action. Make some serious money. Share this video with your friends while it's still up, because this video will probably be taken down very fast. Talk to you soon. Go out there, make money, be an affiliate marketer, live free, take back control of your life. Talk to you soon.